Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be making a rice and bell pepper dish. I have green pepper, yellow pepper, and red pepper, and mushrooms. You're going to add onions, sweet peas, anything you like for this rice dish. In a hot skillet, add 1 teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil. Now you're going to add your peppers. Green peppers, the yellow peppers, the red peppers, and your mushrooms. Now add your seasoning. Salt, your garlic powder, pepper, seasoning salt, and stir. You want your peppers to be soft. This is a plate of brown rice. Make sure you season your brown rice well. Okay, I'm going to stir a little more and I'm going to add it to my brown rice. Hot and steaming. It looks so good. Okay, now let's give it a taste. Get a little pepper, a little rice. It's good. It's really good. The rice is seasoned just right. Wow, it's good. Thanks, guys. Come back. See another video.